What is DC current and AC current? DC represents direct current and AC represents alternating current. Let's put the two of them on graphs. We can plot on the graph voltage versus time or even current versus time. DC has a constant voltage, which means the voltage flows in one direction. But in AC, the voltage varies. So we would have the graph for AC to be like this. It would have a sinusoidal function. DC voltage is obtained from an electric device, an example is a battery. When we connect a resistor in series with the battery, the flow as current is in one direction. The current from the battery flows from the positive terminal of the battery to the negative terminal. But when we connect a resistor in series with an AC source, like 240 volts AC, the current periodically reverses its direction. That is, at certain period of time, the current flows in one direction, and in another period of time, the current flows in another direction. So in AC, the number of times the current reverses its direction in 1 second is 60 times. So the frequency in AC is 60 Hz. These are the main differences between DC current and AC current. Let's solve some questions regarding this explanations we just made. The root mean squared, which is called the RMS, line voltage is 120 volts in a house. Calculate the peak voltage. So, the peak voltage is equal to the squared root of 2 multiplied by the RMS voltage. The RMS voltage is 120 volts, then we multiply it by the squared root of 2. So we would get 169.7 volts, which is approximately 170 volts. So that is the peak voltage. Our next question is, consider the sinusoidal function below. Calculate the RMS current. So what is the peak current here? The peak current is the maximum current, which is 10 amps. So the RMS current would be equal to the peak current divided by the squared root of 2. That is, 10 amps over the squared root of 2. Which is equal to 7.07 amps. Note this important formulas, which are: the maximum power is equal to the peak voltage times the peak current. The average power is equal to RMS voltage times the RMS current. Please like and subscribe to this channel.